In this video we are going to finally talk about Prana Mudra. So to do Prana Mudra, you join your little finger and your ring finger basically and straighten your other two fingers. So basically this balances the water element and the earth element. So any problems rising around of water and earth will be balanced by this, be it redness in the eyes, itchiness in the skin, unnecessarily getting injured, skin abrasion and all, strain in the eye, nails being too brittle. This all these things will be resolved using this particular mudra. And this is an excellent mudra for overcoming fatigue. If you are feeling too fatigued, if you don't have energy in the body, you can perform this mudra. You can filled with a surge of energy. Prana Vayu is one of the Vayu that is present in the body, that is responsible for the entire flow of energy in the body from one part to another, complete part. So this is also linked with the breath. So if you have problem breathing, this will also help you overcome that. Prana Mudra is a great mudra to practice along with other mudra. If you practice other mudras, if you practice the benefits that other mudra produce and follow it with Prana Mudra for like 10 to 15 minutes, the efficiency of those mudra increases significantly. You can also practice this every day for 10 to 20 minutes easily while doing any kind of activities. This will be extremely helpful for you. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.